In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy a link to YouTube video or to YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. And then once you find a video you would like to share with someone, just play it and then tap at share. Select copy link. It says copied. So now we can go to notes, for example, or to some messenger, and then we can just paste the URL we copied. If you would like to copy a link to a particular YouTube channel, first of all, open up that channel's page, then tap right here at three dots, select share, and then copy link. Then in the same way we can paste it anywhere we would like to share it. That's how you can easily copy a link from YouTube.